Hello, today I want to share with you this potty training toilet seat. I am very impressed with this right off the bat. I actually did not realize how impressive this was when I was looking at it online. When it comes down to it, I'm actually not surprised. This brand, Uncle Woo, I have actually worked with them on another product, a step stool they had sent me, and I reviewed it and stuff like that. We still use the step stool even today, and it's been several months. For reference, I'm a mom of 5 with one on the way. I actually have a 23-month-old. She's almost 2, and I figured it was a perfect time to introduce potty training to her. I'll be honest, realistically, I don't expect her to pick it up on it. I also am not really ready to full-blown potty train, but she might be. You know, if I show her this, I think she'd be very intrigued by it. Just her personality, I can just totally see it. All my other kids, they've actually all been over 3, but we introduced stuff like this to them ahead of time, kind of getting the idea of they can do this too and stuff like that. What I love about this though is that it is very practical and has multiple ways that you can use it. So one is like this, and you would just set it on the floor. I love that it's got these little handles here. This seat is actually like cushiony. I don't know if the camera is picking up. Ooh, here, hold on. I don't know if the camera is picking up on the squishiness of it. But anyways, so as you can see, this top comes off. Not only does it just come off, but you can actually put it in your toilet, like on top of your toilet seat. It also comes with an attachment kit that you use with this hole, and it can attach to the seat, so it's not like sliding or popping off or whatever. Like if you are like, kid, this is your toilet, this is where you're going to learn to potty train, then you could strap it to the seat, no worries. The base of this seat also has this little insert that pops out, and I love this because I've actually had potty training seats that don't, I don't know, just this part of it, like it just was too big. It really was. So I love that you can take this out. It is plenty big for a toddler to use, but they can take it out, or you can take it out, dump it, wash it, all the things, and then just pop it right back in there. Just like that. This actually reminds me of one that I used as a kid, as well as my sisters. And my mom would actually take it on road trips and stuff. It was perfect. We had a big van, all of that. So, because my dad did not like stopping all the time. But anyways, okay, so this fits on there. You actually can tell if you have it on the correct way or not, because right now I have it on not the correct way, and there's that huge gap, and you know that ain't gonna work, especially for little boys. So, turn it around, and it actually fits perfect. Now, I also love how it has a little cover. It's not attached to anything, but it does just cover it, just like that. So, if your little one knows not to mess with the stuff in there, if you don't want them messing with it, but you could teach them possibly to cover it, or just, if that's just what you want to do, you could do that. It also comes with this flat piece. So, if you are not in the potty training mode, but you want to use this as a stool, you most certainly can. This fits right on here perfectly. You'll see it's got these little paw prints on it, and it like, you'll figure out the paw prints want to face the back. If you tried doing it this way, it's not going on snugly, but this way it does. Overall, like the plastic of this is pretty hardy. I'm loving it a lot. So there you have it. If you are looking for a very practical and useful and multifunctional potty training seat, this is one I definitely recommend. I am very impressed by it. Very impressed. So 10 out of 10, I highly recommend. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below, and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.